Woohoo! And the cavalry has arrived! Hey!
We just called on a neighbor to see how she's doing. And she said that some different people in the neighborhood have come to shovel her walk. 3 different people have shoveled her walk 3 times today. Plus somebody brought her a whole stack of wood and built her a fire. So we certainly live in a lovely neighborhood.
So it's still coming down like crazy. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and my last measurement was 20 inches. You can see some trees down. Took a ride out on the main road earlier today, and there were a lot of trees down. I don't think we're going to get our power back for quite a while. Wow. A lot of snow. Wires are coated. They're shaking a little bit in the I don't know if it's a breeze or if there was a tree that came down against them somewhere else, but pretty major. Only the dog likes this. One tree down right in front of the house and leaning on the wires. What do you say, buddy? Deep snow even for a husky, huh? Come on. Those trees are under stress, and they crack every once in a while. There's a couple of them that are down over the road up here.
Spirit.
Well, we're kind of plowed out, but man, look at all that snow. All the way up to the house, and still coming down. And look at this sidewalk that I just cleaned off. I just cleaned it twice already today. Last time was about, oh, I'd say about an hour ago. There's already another 2 or 3 inches down.